Okay, hello everybody. Have a good day. Have a good day. I want to check first. The stream connection and my voice. I want to check first the stream connection and my voice because I stream from the Zoom application to the YouTube. So I just want to check first before we start. In few minutes we will start for today live session with me. Yeah, have a good day, good morning. I want to check first. You guys can hear me or not? Is it good connection or lagging or what? Because I did stream from Zoom application to YouTube. So check first, huh? Before we start in few minutes, I want to check first. You guys can chat with me in the chat, YouTube chat. Either the connection is good or not, my voice is good or not, and then the view I check from my other PC here is good, but only I'm worried about my voice. Is it lag or not? Okay. Okay, let's check first before I start today live session with me. In few minutes I will start, okay? Okay, I give few more minutes before I start. Few more minutes before I start. Maybe in 5 minutes I will start. Okay. Okay, in 5 minutes I will start our live session for today. In 5 minutes I will start, okay? Let's waiting others to join first. Yeah, good morning Mustafa, good morning. Okay, check first my voice. You guys can hear me clearly or not? Okay, check my voice first. Or music too loud, wait Okay, firstly I want to check my voice first. You guys can hear me or not? Clearly or not? Hear my voice clear or not? Alright, very clear, hear my voice. Okay, I want to open my MT4 chart now. Okay, this one you guys can see or not? From the YouTube. Okay, it's good. Music too loud. Okay, wait. Okay, how about this MT4 chart? You guys can see or not? The MT4 chart. Okay, how about the MT4 chart? You guys can see or not in the YouTube? Okay, that's good. Okay, another 3 more minutes before I start. Okay, for today, a live session with me. We will spend about 45 minutes to 1 hour. We will do a live mapping, and then I will give some education with some of the topic that we already covered in this month, last month. Okay, and then okay, before I start, you guys can share with me, you guys, all of you, about, we have about 85 traders is watching in my YouTube now. So you guys can introduce yourself from which country. Maybe you guys can just type from which country, you guys. Okay, one more minute before I start for today live session with me. Okay, we will do a live mapping, market analysis for XAUUSD, and then some of currency also we will cover. Okay, have a good day, guys. Have a good day. Today, 31st of August, end of the month of August. So I think we already have a good and good setup for the past few days, past few weeks in this month. So quite good setup based on what I already show you guys, the reason I buy or sell, the reason for entry, each of entry position. So we only entry the position based on the strong reason. Alright, so basically our weapon for entry is only at the support and resistance. So we need to know clearly this key level. Okay, the key level. Right, the key level is support and resistance, or supply and demand area, in order for us to find the entry position, buy or sell. Right. Okay, once again, before I start, in 30 seconds, I want to check first my voice, is it clear or not? Because currently I'm streaming from my Zoom application to YouTube. Right. I'm going to record this session also. Hold on. Okay, this session already recorded, but all the recorded webinar or live session with me, I only share with the VIP. Alright, you guys can check it out. Any of you VIP with me, you guys can check it out from the VIP group. we have I think 4 or 5 already webinar session, live session from the past 2 months, alright? So you guys can check from there. Okay, I already recorded. Okay, let's start. So for today I want to do market mapping and analysis. Let's do the market mapping for today first. For XAUUSD. As you guys can see, if you guys remember, okay, let's say from, okay, we have to go to first to the higher time frame in order for us to find the strong key level. Remember, go to the higher time frame H4, daily and weekly. But I normally only use H4 time frame or daily. So let's say for today, for now, for the current market price, I will go to time frame H4. Let's go to time frame H4. So remember my education before. Look on your first left. The key is look on your first left for the past movement. The first left, strong left is here. Okay, here. The first left is here. Okay, don't look at the second left or third left yet, but look at the first left here. So the first left here is the key in order for us to make a decision. Either we can sell here or buy, right? Because this is the key. Because why I said the key? Okay, from the past movement, history of movement at this area, strong movement, drastically movement from here to here, and then price make a rejection. After one strong rejection at this candle time frame H4, the price go about 500 pips. So quite strong movement, quite strong area at this area. That's why last week during webinar I mark here as the strong resistance zone. Okay, so from here I will mark like this. This is the key level first. Okay, for the current market price, right? The key level, we mark first the key level. The key level is either support or resistance. But for now, since we see that the current movement is like this, is bullish movement, so we need to find the next resistance. Okay, so here is the first left for this movement. So I will mark like this. Here, the last week rejection. Okay, last week rejection, can see, right? Very clearly. 1, 2, clearly strong weak rejection at the time frame H4. Okay, so we got already the resistance for the current movement. Okay, so you just can mark like this and alert at this area first. Okay, the decision is at this area. Alright, so this is at the time frame H4. Right, so what will happen here, what we expect here, either the price will break out this resistance that we mark, break out like this with the strong movement, or make a correction movement from this bullish movement. Right, make correction meaning that the price want to pull back to the first area that the price make a strong drastically movement. Okay, so since this is a strong resistance, expecting the price will break out, either break out or make a pullback movement to the next support. That's it. Break out this resistance or pull back or make a correction movement to the next support. Right, clear? Are you guys clear for now at the time frame H4 for the current movement? You guys clear or not? I want you guys chat with me. I can see your chat in the YouTube channel, so you guys can chat with me. Any comment or any reaction from me, any answer, if I ask the question, you guys can chat with me. Alright, clear. So we go already at the time frame H4, but this is a big time frame, okay? Big time frame. H4. Okay, hold on, Alright. So now go to the lower time frame H1 if we want to scalping or if we want to get to precise this zone. Okay, go to H1. Okay, at the time frame H1, we can see that the price is sideways at this resistance zone. Alright, can see from this movement, strong drastically movement, reject. This is a clearly reject. Make a pullback movement to here, and then some reaction. This is a time frame H1, okay, and then comes again to this resistance. This is minor resistance at the time frame H1, and then comes again to this support. So we can draw like this, or we can mark like this. Okay, since this is at the time frame H1, so you guys can mark like this. Okay, wait. The time frame H1 support and resistance. So you guys can see or can monitor at these two areas. Okay, now you guys agree with me or not? Based on what you learn from me, are you guys agree with me or not? I got already the support and resistance for the current movement at the time frame H1. Are you guys agree with me or not? Come on, I want to answer from you guys. I want to see, are you guys understand or not on what I mark now. I got here somebody from Portugal. Okay, hello Azli from Portugal. Right, agree, right? So if you guys, hold on, 1 second. Okay, give me 1 second. Hold on, Okay, agree. Okay. Just now from the time frame H4. So now the key level at the time frame H1. Okay. So I make it more clear. So we can see the movement at the time frame H1. Price going up, reject, and then going down, and then from here got rejection also. So we can see there is a buyer here, and then price going up, reject because of this rejection at the time frame H1. Okay, because of this rejection. Remember, the key is the long wick rejection. Either buy or sell, either at the support or at the resistance. Remember this long wick rejection. So this reaction is based on the first left here. Okay, price going up, reaction at this area because of this reaction, because of this seller at the time frame H1. So price going up and reject. Now price is currently sideways in this zone. Okay, going up, reject, going up and reject. Then we will monitor at this area now, based on the current market price. Based on the current market price now at that 1943, at the price 1943. So price now coming to this support area, but I consider this as not a strong support. Long wick rejection, only 2 candle at the time frame H1. It could be breakout like this. It could be breakout, or if there is no buyer at this area, no buyer yet. During this Europe session, the price could react again and reject. So as for me, I will wait first. I will wait first and see what will happen at this area. Alright, what will happen at this area? I already marked this as a support, but this is a minor support. But I'm not confident yet for this zone, support zone. So I want to see the breakout or reaction, reject at the lower time frame. Okay, so now guys, are you guys with me or not? Are you guys clear or not for this at the time frame H1? For this movement at the time frame H1, are you guys clear or not? Come on, I want to answer from you guys. Just now I already explained about the time frame H1 movement. Are you guys clear or not? This is analysis, this is market mapping that you guys want to see from me. Clear, right? So we have to monitor. Waiting game, okay? Waiting game. Monitor this area first, right? We buy at a high price. Now at the time frame H4, we can see this is considered at high position price. If we sell, we need to wait the confirmation. Okay, any questions so far from you guys? I need a question from you guys. Any question about the explanation that I just already doing with you guys just now? Any question? I want a question from you guys. Anyone can ask me anything now? Usman Khalifa, you want the live trade? This is a live trade. If price breakout, pull back, then I can give sell. If reaction buy, I 50-50. I cannot give buy yet because the price is at a higher, is at the strong resistance zone at the time frame H4 and daily. I need another confirmation if I want to buy. I need another confirmation. But for now, I think I'm looking for sell first. Okay, I want to see the question from you guys. What is the best time frame for scalpers? Scalpers, you guys can use the key level at the time frame H1, the key level at the time frame H1, and then for the confirmation or the trade entries at the time frame M5 or M15. So you guys can get at least 30 pips from this time frame. Okay. Other question. Market will reject at support. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, as I explained earlier, this is minor support at the time frame H1. The blue zone is strong resistance zone at the time frame H4. Okay. Right. Next question. How do we know to sell if that support don't hold? I need the strong breakout. And then I want to see the pullback at the lower time frame M5 or M15. That's it. Can we trade at the minute one? I not advised to trade at the minute one because there is so much noise, and then there is if for gold, so many breakouts, so many support and resistance. Alright, at the minute one only, if you guys want a layering entry or if you guys want to mark the point of entry or stop loss. Okay, next question, how can I differentiate between strong support and minor support? Okay, strong support at the higher time frame, strong resistance and support and resistance at the higher time frame. Okay, as for me, based on my experience, I will use from time frame H4, daily and weekly, even weekly. Okay, H1 below I don't use for the strong support. Right, H1 is only the zone of entry. This is my tips, okay, from me. If you guys want to follow me, if you guys want to know what I'm doing based on my experience, the strong support and resistance is from higher time frame, H4, daily and weekly. Alright, okay, next question, will it be 1938 if it breaks the current small support? It could be. Okay, remember the price will move from the support to resistance, and then the price also can move from resistance to support. Okay, like just now I already show you guys, this is strong resistance at the time frame H4. Now you guys need to know where is the strong support at the time frame H4. Okay, so if this is strong resistance at the time frame H4, the next one, okay, now I will answer your question. Now I will go to the next support at the time frame H4. Okay, okay, for the next support, okay, next support at the time frame H4. Now I open the time frame H4. Okay, since I mark this as the resistance at the time frame H4, I want to find the next support or the first support at the time frame H4. I see here. Okay, I make it more clear. I see here. Are you guys follow me or not? Okay, this is resistance that I mark. This is support. I see this is support area. Agree with me or not? For now, I will give you guys the reason why I mark this as a support for this time frame H4. I will give after this. I will explain. Based on my analysis, I will mark this as the strong support. So now, you guys agree with me or not? Okay, I give you guys the reason why I mark this as a strong support for the current movement at the time frame H4. Okay, because why? This is one big candle at the time frame H4 that make a breakout at this resistance for the current for the previous resistance. This is resistance for the time frame H4. Okay, I will mark for you guys so you guys can see clearly. Okay, take the last week rejection for the marking horizontal line. So now I got already the next support for the time frame H4. Okay, I got already the next support for the time frame H4. But remember, okay, the support and resistance is not the area for us to entry or buy. We only mark the zone first. Okay. Alright, we go back to time frame H1. So what happened now at the time frame H1? So the price is not going to this area yet. It's still sideways. This is considered as a sideways movement. Price going up, reject here, going down, and then reject here, going up, reject, going down, but not touching yet this support at the minor area, minor support zone for the time frame H1. So we need to monitor again. Okay, we need to monitor again. Alright, so I mark like this, expecting the price will go to this area again. So monitor again at this minor resistance zone at the time frame H1. Right. Maybe we can wait during the Europe session. The Europe session, what will happen for the price, gold price, currently still sideways. Okay. Another thing, if the price, okay, hold on, let me mark first, more clear. Okay, I will go back to time frame H4. Okay, I want to see the another next left for this history movement. The first left is here, is touching already, and the price react. Even yesterday we got sell position entry, but now what if the price break out this minor resistance zone? So we wait for pullback here. Let's say breakout like this, pullback, then we can entry buy. I make it more clear, okay? And then if buy from here, the next resistance we need to monitor. Okay, the next resistance is here, or the strong one is here because of this movement. Okay, because of this movement, strong drastically movement from here to here. So this is considered as a strong resistance. But for now, for today, we see first another next left history movement is here. So we also can mark this as the next resistance or next area to watching, next area to be alert. Okay, next area, okay, at the area 1954. Okay, right. Okay, and if breakout this minor support zone, breakout, we will monitor at the lower time frame. We can get scalping opportunity to this area of the next support at the time frame H4. Right, this is my analysis, this is my plan for today. This is what I plan for today for the market goal. Okay, Okay, any other question, guys? Any other question for the current mapping that I do for you guys for XAUUSD? Any other question you guys can question with me in the chat, YouTube chat? You guys can ask me now. Okay, I got here one good question. Sir, how do you confirm entry? How to confirm the entry? Okay, I will answer after this. Okay, then I will upload the previous webinar we got from the past webinar. I think 4 to 5 recorded webinar. I will upload in the YouTube, but only for the VIP can get the link, YouTube link. It is a private uploading in the YouTube. Signals are coming slow, sir. Please send instantly. Just wait. I will wait once the Europe session open in, I think about in 1 hour or 2 hours. So we will see. I want to see first the price action. Okay. Sometimes we receive signal after 15 to 20 pips movement. Oh, why like that? Okay, why did you say we have sell entry? Did you arrive at that? Yesterday we got sell entry. Yesterday during the US session we got sell entry. Okay. Okay, guys. Most of you tell me that you guys want to sell. Why you guys want to sell? This is the not area zone for sell yet. Current market price is still in sideways. There is no any confirmation. I will show you guys once of the confirmation. How we get the confirmation to entry at the lower time frame. Okay, I think that is for the mapping goal XAUUSD, that what I explained with you guys now, from the higher time frame to the lower time frame, H1, H4 to H1. We need to wait first the breakout or pullback, and then we can entry, sell or buy based on this area that we mark at the time frame H4 and at the time frame H1. Okay, what is the confirmation? Okay, are you ready guys? Ready? Are you ready for the confirmation of entry? I want to show you guys the confirmation of entry. Sir, why not we live trade? This is live trade. There is no entry yet. There is no setup. If there is a setup, then I can give you guys a setup entry. There is no setup yet. Okay, ready? The confirmation of entry at the lower time frame. Okay, one more chapter to show you guys at the lower time frame. Okay, let's go to the previous movement. Let's say at this movement, how do we get the confirmation of entry? Okay, first this movement by confirmation, then second I will show you guys this movement. Okay, how do we get the confirmation of entry? How do we confident with the entry, the setup entry? Okay, I give you guys an example. Okay, wait, let me make it more clear, because this is at the higher time frame support that we mark from the time frame H4. Let's go to M15. Okay, this is so much noise. Wait, make it more clear. Not so clear, wait. Okay, you guys can follow me, okay? From what I mark here, first I will mark the resistance. I want to show you guys the movement or the example of the clean breakout or fast breakout in order for us to confirm the confirmation entry at the lower time frame. Okay, example like this. See this movement, okay? Strongly, drastically movement. This is at the time frame H1, okay? Price going up, and then there is a sideways, going up and reject. Multiple long wick rejection, see? Multiple long wick rejection. And then after rejection, price going down, reject here. After reject, price drastically going up and reject. Drastically going up and reject. So meaning that there is a something around here, there is a seller around here. So we find already the seller. We got already the seller. So this area between 1 day movement, this is 1 day movement, okay? Because at the time frame H1, this is the separator for the 1 day movement. So all this candle is for the 1 day movement. So price going up from the ASEAN session and reject here at the Europe session, going up and reject drastically from here. During the US session, price reject and going up, strong rejection after drastically movement and going down. So I will mark this as the strong resistance at the time frame H1. This is from the time frame H1, okay? So I will mark first from the first movement, long week rejection. So we got here mark from the last week rejection, can see, right? Okay, based on this movement, we see that price going down, this price going up. Based on this rejection, I will mark also this area as the support for this movement. Okay, the key is you guys have to find or see first the strong long week rejection. An obvious point, let's say the price go the most higher price or the most lower price. Example like this, most higher price. This is most highest. This is most lowest. Okay, so we got already the top one and the down one, from the top to down. Okay, price going up, going down. So once we got already these two area, we will monitor for the next movement. Let's say this movement. This movement, simply we can entry buy based on this rejection, long week rejection. Remember from the last webinar, last education with me, for the first time price come into the support area that we mark, either support or resistance, the price will react. The price will react, either we can get the opportunity buy or sell. So based on this rejection, after we mark the support, price going down, so buy. So you got already about 60 pips. I told you guys already, 25 to 30 pips, you guys can close all or can close half of your layering entry and break even some of your last entry. If you guys hold, can get here about 60 pips. Okay, and then the next one, the price comes again to this area that we mark. The first time, remember, this is the first time that we mark, the first time, then you guys can entry sell. Just simply like that. Because we got already the history of the seller and buyer. There is a seller around there, so we can sell based on the history movement. Let's say here, buy, here, sell based on this movement, buy based on this movement, and then the price breakout. Second time, don't buy. Second time is quite high risk. That's why I said only at the first time. At the first time, price react here, first time reject. Price react here for this one, first time and reject. This one breakout, but I think this one because of strong movement during the high impact news. So this movement want to find the next support. The next support is here. Okay, here is the next support that not collect yet from this drastically movement, the strong movement for this candle. The price want to collect the last buyer from here. So we got already another support mark again. We got already another area, buy area. Okay, mark the last week rejection. Okay, right. Next one, we want to confirm the price is breakout or not. Okay, if like this, is not breakout yet, still react at this area of seller area. Okay, price react again, this is not breakout yet, this is breakout, this is strong breakout. But in order for us to follow this movement, buy movement, we need to monitor at the lower time frame. This is candle time frame H1, so 1 hour candle. So I want to show you guys at the lower time frame confirmation. So I mark here the blue zone, the blue area at the first candle time frame H1 that make a strong breakout. This is breakout, this is not breakout, this is breakout. So you guys understand already the breakout, but this is a time frame H1. So how to follow this buy setup? Go to the lower time frame. So we go to M5, let's say M5. So find the blue zone that we mark. M5 we cannot see. So go to the more lower time frame at the minute 1. We want to see the reaction. Okay, we want to see the reaction at this area. Okay, this the one I mark at the minute 1. Also cannot see. Wait, I want to show you guys very clear. Okay, this is, there is no pullback, there is no confirmation at the lower time frame. But what I want to show you guys can see the strong breakout. Because sometimes the price will pull back at the lower time frame minute 5 like this. After breakout, after this candle finish, after this candle close, all the minute 5 candle finish, then there is one candle pullback, can entry buy. Oh, this one during the high impact news also. So this one cannot see clearly the confirmation at the lower time frame. Okay, let's go to another example at the lower time frame for the confirmation. I want to show you guys some of the confirmation. Okay, I will mark first for this movement at the time frame H1. This is time frame H1, okay? Okay, take the highest movement. This is highest movement, okay? The price going up, reject, going down. React here. Going up and reject. So, we want to see at the lower time frame how to see the confirmation. So go to M5. Alright. Here we can see one of the confirmation, but very small and very tricky confirmation. Okay, since I mark here as the resistance at the time frame H1, this is resistance at the time frame H1. So I want to see the breakout for this resistance, okay? So where is the breakout? The price going up, still at the resistance, reject. The price going up, but this is still considered sideways. Very slow breakout. Sideways, this is breakout. This is breakout, but very tricky at the lower time frame. So that's why I said, if you guys want to see the breakout and pull back, you guys can go at the lower time frame, can get the confirmation, can get the opportunity, can see this movement. Okay, this is the breakout. This movement is the breakout. This movement is the pullback. It's not perfect breakout and it's not perfect pullback, but I want you guys understand the reaction at these two zones. What is reaction and what we can see the confirmation. What is the what we can do with these two zones, with these two area, the support and resistance area. That's why very important for us to understand the key level support and resistance. If we understand this zone as the resistance, then we have to understand the breakout movement. We have to understand the pullback, very small, very tricky. Then we can get the opportunity to buy once the price breakout and pullback. After pullback, breakout, pullback and entry. That's it. So you guys can get about easily 90 to 100 pips. Quite tricky, but feel the beat of market, feel the beat of price, so you guys can see. Okay, follow me or not, guys? Are you guys follow with me or not? Okay, we take a 3 minutes rest and then I can continue another topic. Or I want to show you guys again the confirmation, so you guys understand how the price move, how the price break out, how the price make a movement. Okay, we take about 2 minutes rest and then I can continue. Okay, am I teaching too fast or what? Okay. Alright, we continue, okay? What's the next topics you guys want to know? The confirmation, the breakout, the support and resistance again. You guys can watch many times from my YouTube channel. I have 2 topics. I have uploaded two topic about the support and resistance, how easy to scalping with this SNR support and resistance. Okay, what is the next topic you guys want to know? The breakout or the confirmation of entry. That is a very important. The breakout or confirmation entry. Okay, come on guys, suggest with me what is next topic you guys want to learn from me, or I just continue with the next topic, confirmation again. Alright, we go the critical topic on the confirmation again, okay? We go into the critical topic on the confirmation. Agree with me or not? We go for the confirmation again. Okay, my special class, sir, please explain confirmation entry by yesterday trade. Alright, I will show with you. I will show with you the confirmation why and how did I get the confirmation sell yesterday. Alright, okay, let's go. Okay, I will start again. I will delete all this marking first. Okay, again, how did I get the confirmation entry for sell yesterday? Okay, first, what did I do? In 2 minutes, in 3 minutes, I do the analysis. Okay, I will go first at the higher time frame daily. Okay, this is daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame, we can see the movement. Current market price for gold, current market movement for gold is going up, okay, or bullish movement. Okay, since at the daily time frame is the bullish movement, I wanna find the next rejection, the next stop, the next resistance for this movement, where the price wanna stop, where the price wanna go. At the higher time frame, I want to see first. I want to know. I want to predict. We don't know. Nobody know where the price want to go. Nobody know where the price want to stop or reject. Okay. So I see here. Okay, let's say this candle is not happen yet. This candle is for today candle daily. For today, 31st of August. This candle is yesterday candle. 30 of August. Yesterday on what day? Yesterday, Wednesday. This is candle yesterday. So from this movement, I want to see, I want to know, I want to predict, I want to analyze where the price want to stop, where the price want to react. I cannot follow buy yet because why? The current movement is bullish trending. If I want to find buy, I have to buy from the support area. This is considered a high price, still high price, strong movement. From the ASEAN session here, price keep rallying up, bullish movement. So I want to find sell, the next stop. Okay, so the next stop, second thing I will analyze. I will see the history of the past movement. The first left is here. Okay, so I see already this is the first left. Second first left. 1 day candle reject, going down. 1 day candle reject going down. So this is what? What is this area? I want to answer from you guys. I want to answer from you guys. The blue zone that I mark, what is area for that one? That area. Come on, somebody. Anyone can answer with me? My student. Anyone from you? What is the blue zone area? The seller area. It's not area for sell. Understand this. It's not area for you guys to sell. It is seller area. Understand? Seller area, resistance area, the stopping area, the next area, the next stop. Okay? The next stop. So we got already the first left here is the next stop. Price going up. Remember, price going up must going down. Going down must going up. So the next stop is here based on the previous history movement. So I mark. So I mark here. Okay, from the body candle to the last week rejection. Take the last week rejection. So we got already the zone. We got already the zone. The rejection area. Yes, correct. We got already the zone. So yesterday, this is from the daily time frame. And then I want to precise, I go to H4 time frame. Okay? H4 time frame. So during the signal, during the yesterday US session, I did give sell around here 194344 somewhere around here. And the stop loss is above of this resistance. This is the stop loss. Stop loss around here 1950. I did give around 1950 above the resistance area. So the horizontal line I mark in red is the stop loss above the last week rejection. So it quite nice, what? It quite nice. Very good. So we got entry from here, and then you guys can layering entry from here to here, the last week rejection at the time frame H4 or at the time frame H1. We also can monitor 1, 2 rejection, 1 rejection, 2 rejection. So it is one of sign price want to reject at this area. We got about 60 pips if you guys hold with break even. If you guys hold with break even, so you guys can get about 60 pips. Okay, so that is a reason. That is a reason why I give a sell position entry. Very simple, right? You guys cannot buy high. You guys cannot buy high. So simple reason. Simple reason based on the key level that we mark and then the confirmation. Okay, understand or not, guys? For yesterday's setup entry, are you guys understand or not? but did not understand anything. Okay, the recorded webinar live session with me, all the recorded webinar and live session, I will upload it in YouTube, but only VIP or my student only can get this link. Okay, if you guys want my past webinar, I think I got about 4 to 5 webinar, and then live session also I got all the things about the education. You guys can join the student, can join VIP, can be my student. Okay, right, that is the reason entry for yesterday. Okay, so for today, this is at the time frame H1 monitor. I will monitor these two areas first. I want to monitor these two areas first. I want to see the reaction. I want to see the breakout, pullback, then we can entry. To be safe, because it's already high, the price is already high. There is no big correction yet. If the price want to continue bullish trending, bullish movement, we have to find the correction movement first. You were calling only sales for the past 3 days when price went heavily buying. Why didn't you find buy? Also it made us on the wrong move. It's not the wrong move. We only find the clearly the strong confirmation. If I see strong confirmation for sell, I will sell. Okay, because the price is already high. Okay, any other question, guys? Any other question? We will maybe we can. How long already this session? I think about 1 hour already, right? 1 hour. You guys want to know the other pairs, the currency? Maybe I can show for GJ or for GA, GBP AUD, or Euro AUD. I can show you guys the example. Let's say GBP AUD. Oh, I got buy position entry GBP AUD. You guys want to know the reason that I give buy? I didn't give buy position entry for GBP AUD. This is my personal entry for GA. So I got already the GA entry about, wow, quite nice, 130 pips for GA. Okay, let's see for GJ, my favorite pair also. Wow, GJ also I got sell position entry. Wow. I got about, wait, I want to see. I got about 70 pips for GJ. You guys want to know more about this entry or not? The GJ and GA. I need the reaction and support from you guys. I didn't see any reaction or support from you guys. You guys can give me a lot of fire. Maybe you guys can give emojis of fire with me first, then I can explain about this entry. I got 70 pips for GJ, I got 130 pips for GA. Don't worry, I don't mix with gold, but if you guys understand my method of technique, how did I get all this setup, all still the same with other instruments, either with XAUUSD, currency, oil, or any other instrument, is still the same based on the price action. Okay, I will explain in few minutes only for GA. Let's say for GBP AUD, how did I get buy position entry? Okay, how did I get this buy position entry for GA? I got about 130 pips from this setup entry GA. Okay, I will go first. Okay, ignore first this movement, this profit movement. You guys ignore first, like this. Right, this is the what we call it, the I want to show you guys how did I get the buy position entry for GBP AUD, okay, pound Aussie. Alright, so let's go to the higher time frame first. I will go to the higher time frame first. I want to look. Okay, go to higher time frame first. Okay, simple. Okay, from here, this is daily time frame. Each of the candle represent one day candle, candle movement. One day. All this movement is for one day movement. Alright. Okay, let's say we see clearly the price or the market for this GA is downtrend or bearish trending. So I want to find, let's say from here, I want to find the next rejection or the next movement for this GA, meaning that where is the next support. This price must find their support, must find the next support in order for correction movement, the next support. Okay, let's say for this movement, I look on the first left, there is no any reaction. This movement also no any reaction yet. This movement, there is one big strong candle movement daily, about 180 pips one day candle. Okay, this one 180 pips one day daily candle, so consider as a strong movement. Okay, consider as a strong movement for this candle. So I got already the first movement or the first support for this movement at the daily time frame. So I mark horizontal line from the body candle to the last week rejection. So I got already, right, the zone for support. Okay, I mark as a support. I will mark in blue area to monitor. Now we got already the support for this movement, daily movement. So we got already the support. So the next thing I do, I will go to the lower time frame, H4. This the one, the blue zone is the one that I mark from the daily time frame. So I check first how big is this zone, how many pips. Very small, it's about 24 pips, very small zone. So my zone for buy, if there is any reaction, only 24 pips. So I mark this as my buy zone. Okay, next, very important one. Go back to daily time frame. I want a marking for the stop loss. I make it horizontal line in red color for the stop loss. Okay, why I mark that at that area? I go to H1 time frame, go to previous price movement. I check first another support at the lower time frame H1. This is another support. I take this is the last week rejection. I take below the last week rejection to be more careful on the stop loss point. So go back at the previous price. Okay, can see that the price going down sideways. Price react at this area that I mark. So I see that there is a buyer around here. Going up, it's not breakout yet. This minor support, this minor resistance zone. Price coming again in this area. Wait, make it more clear. This is at the time frame H1, okay? And then there's a price action. There is a price action or chart pattern here. The price make a double bottom. Going down, reject, going up. So there is a buyer around here. Going down, another one, another movement. Going up, double bottom. One bottom, two bottom, so double bottom. So another sign is the candle sign hammer here. So there is a reversal hammer, reversal sign for this movement. Double bottom. We mark here as then the next resistance at the minor support, minor resistance. Double bottom breakout, price pull back. This is breakout, pull back, entry again here. But here I hold first, the first entry. Before that I already closed all the area buy, the entry layering buy. Then price going up. Very simple, based on the higher time frame, based on the chart pattern, price action, based on the candlestick sign hammer, and then based on the breakout pullback entry, I got buy position entry for GBP AUD. I confidently buy this GA. So you guys clear with me or not for this explanation on a buy position entry GBP AUD? Are you guys clear or not with this explanation? Just now, I make the explanation for the GA. Okay, I hope you guys clear and understand for the one that I explained just now for the GA, GBP AUD. Very clear confirmation buy based on the higher time frame from the daily, and then I did the top analysis from the daily H4 time frame and then H1, and then at the lower time frame I got already the confirmation. I hope you guys clear and understand. So let's go back to the XAUUSD. Currently the current market price still sideways. As for me, still sideways in this time frame H1 zone. Okay, time frame H1 area is still in the middle of the running area of the support and resistance at the time frame H1. So we wait first. When we see first what we can get the confirmation from this movement, I think during the Europe session after this 1 hour, in 1 hour 2 hours, they will this goal will give us the confirmation, either breakout sell or breakout buy. Okay guys, somebody said Falana Ia Nu Lua said that a lot of people is selling. If you guys sell, okay, I show you guys. If you guys sell, you guys have to remember that this is the next resistance at the time frame H1. This is strong, currently strong resistance. Okay, currently this is minor support. Any trader sell here is still in the middle. They just guess, or they just, I'm not so sure why they sell. There is no strong confirmation yet. Maybe they can get luck, the price running going down. Okay, but don't ever buy yet. Okay, this is the price is already at high position in bullish movement. Okay, we try to find sell first, right? Okay, we already spent about 1 hour 30 minutes, I think, or about 2 hours from 2 hours for today live session. I did give you guys a lot of example. I did show you guys example, the confirmation entry, and then I strongly recommended you guys to understand about the key level support and area of resistance in order for us to see or monitor the movement of the price. Okay, all is the same one. Okay, so based on my analysis on gold, we see first breakout, either breakout buy or breakout sell, then we can follow the price. Okay, I think that's all for now, the current live session with you guys. Okay, thank you for watching. And then today is the last day, 31st of August. In month of August, get ready for my next signal during Europe session and US session. We will try to get 2 or 3 signal on gold, and then just get ready for next month on September. In September, I wanna do something special with you guys. I will update, or I will announce in the group, in the support group or education group, what is the something special with you guys, and mostly about the education. Okay, maybe I want to do the personal coaching. I want to make a limit in 5 to 10 people only in the Zoom session, and then maybe one day we got 2 or 3 Zoom session, one session only 10 people, and then because I want more concentrate with you guys, I want you guys more understand. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Any opinion you guys can chat in the comment of each of my YouTube video. Okay, and then just be ready for my next signal. Okay, I end first in 2 minutes. I will end first for today live session with you guys. Just be ready for the next signal from me. Okay, before I end this session, you guys can give me a lot of fire that you guys clear and understand every of my explanation for today, for just now, for the market mapping analysis. Alright, okay, you guys can start give me a lot of fire, guys. Can start show me your support, either you guys clear or not. Alright, Okay, in 2 minutes I will end today live session. Just be ready for my next signal. Okay, during another 30 minutes, 1 hour during Europe session, and then just get ready also during Europe session. Okay, thank you guys. Give me a lot of fire, guys. We will see again. I will continue again next live session. Maybe tomorrow or next week. Okay, I hope you guys clear and understand. Thank you for watching the Escobar live session for today. We will continue again. Just be ready for next signal from me. Alright, thank you and goodbye.